So how much time per day should you be spending learning 3D? The rule in my program is you should be spending at least 1 hour per day if you want to do still images, still advertisements, products, stuff like that. If you want to do animated commercials, you honestly need to spend 4-6 hours per day actually learning that stuff. When it comes to 3D, there's 1,000 little things that are going to get in your way. And there's also overarching fundamental processes that are going to hold you back. And if you're not spending enough time getting through those things, it can take you forever, especially if you don't have guidance and mentorship. I used to spend 6, 8, 10 hours per day with guidance, resources, mentorship. I also took it very seriously in order to learn the stuff. And it really breaks my heart because I speak to hundreds and hundreds of people on the phone and they spend years and years not really moving anywhere. And there's still no sense of urgency. They tell me they don't have time. And I just know that you're going to spend easily another few years just learning the stuff. So if you do want to learn this stuff and get great results quickly, you need to be spending, the time. You need to put it in order to get past these things, in order to get the best results.